Inside today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money with Hustlers University 2.0, and this is a completely free strategy, so you don't need any money to start making money inside of Hustlers University. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside of this video. First off, I'm going to show you how to make money fast. People are making money with this method in their first couple of days after joining Hustlers University, and this method can be set up very fast inside of a day, and you don't even have to show your face with this method. So it's honestly the most beginner-friendly way to make money with Hustlers University, and I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and without further ado, let's jump into today's method. The fastest way to make money with Hustlers University if you're a complete beginner is through affiliate marketing. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be leveraging free traffic from TikTok, sending that free traffic over to a landing page, and then sending that traffic over to a sales page where people will be cookied with your affiliate link, and then you can start making sales with Hustlers University affiliate program. First things first, in order for this method to work, you have to join Hustlers University. And if you haven't done that already, go ahead and check out the first link down below this video. It's going to show you this landing page right here, and this is my bonus page for Hustlers University. You're going to see all kinds of information about Hustlers University, so what's inside of the Discord. You're going to see all the different testimonies that I've pulled out myself from inside of the Discord, and then you're going to see all the information about the Discord, and then if you scroll down here, you're going to see my in-depth review of the Discord. But the best part about this page is I'm actually offering bonuses, so 3 different full-blown courses to anybody who decides to pick up Hustlers University from the link down below this video. So if you want to join Hustlers University and you haven't done so yet, go ahead and check out the bonuses down below this video. That way you're going to get the most value out of paying for that $49 a month membership for Hustlers University. Now, once you're inside of Hustlers University, you're going to see the Start Here section, and what you need to do is you need to go ahead and pick a quadrant that you're going to be a part of. So it doesn't really matter which one you pick. You could either do time poor or cash poor, or you could do the time rich cash poor, you could do the time poor cash poor, or you can do the time rich cash rich. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. They're just going to reorganize the different kinds of categories inside of Hustlers University. So once you go ahead and pick one, then you can click on the quadrant right here and it will open it up right here. And as you can see, you have these different campuses that teach you different online skills in order to make money. So you have the e-com campus that's going to teach you how to do e-commerce. You have the crypto campus, it's going to teach you how to make money with crypto. You have stocks, you have Amazon FBA, you have freelancing, copywriting, and of course the one that I recommend for this video is going to be the affiliate marketing campus, and that's the one that I'm currently in right now. So this is the Start Here section of the affiliate marketing campus. Once you're inside here, you're going to actually see why this method works so well. There is a section inside of the affiliate marketing campus called the Tate Library. So if I scroll down here, you're going to see Tate Library. This is going to be a library where it has all kinds of different clips that you can use on TikTok in order to promote Hustlers University. I'm going to show you how to do all of that inside of this video, but this is really the secret weapon for making money with Hustlers University. So that's why you absolutely have to be a member in order to make money with this program. And in order to actually get your affiliate link, once you're inside of Hustlers University, you scroll down and you go to the section that says affiliate link. After you do that, you actually just message the 𝗬𝗢𝗢 account manager. That's a bot that's going to go ahead and set you up with your affiliate link, and the affiliate link is going to be through Stripe. So all you have to do is just message the 𝗬𝗢𝗢 account manager, and that's how you're going to get your affiliate link. Now that you have the affiliate link, you can actually go ahead and just access your dashboard right here to get all the tools that are set up within your affiliate manager account. So you can go ahead and click on this link and it'll open up the account manager so you can set up your payout section. And I usually just go with PayPal, but you can do whatever you want with that section. Go ahead and just copy your affiliate link right here. This is going to be the link that you're going to be using in order to promote Hustlers University on TikTok. So just go ahead and copy that. And now it's time for us to build out our landing page so we have something to send people to when people are viewing our TikTok videos. Now, in order to create that landing page that we're going to be using inside of TikTok, I recommend going with Linktree because it's absolutely free. So go ahead and just sign up for free for Linktree. And I'm going to show you how to build a landing page that is going to get people to sign up for Hustlers University through your TikTok. Now that you have your free Linktree account all ready to go, now it's time to add a couple of things to our Linktree in order to get the most amount of clicks on that Hustlers University affiliate link. So go ahead and just click on Add New Link. And now what we're going to be doing is they're going to be adding the Hustlers University intro video to this first link right here. So go ahead and just call this Welcome to Hustlers University. After that, we're going to go ahead and just copy and paste a link from YouTube. So head over to YouTube and type in Hustlers University intro. And as you can see right here, here's an intro video for Hustlers University at 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥. So go ahead and just copy that link, open up the video, and just go ahead and hit the share button and then just copy this YouTube link right there. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is just head back over to our Linktree account and paste in that URL. After you do that, then they're going to ask you, do you want to display this video or link off to YouTube? We want to actually display this video on the Linktree, and we can have it autoplay and we can have it mute or not mute. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off, but I want it to go ahead and autoplay. So Welcome to Hustlers University is going to be the first thing that happens on our Linktree account. And as you can see, it's going to look just like this. Now we're going to go ahead and add a new link onto our Linktree account. And for this, we're going to go ahead and call this Join Hustlers University. After that, go ahead and just add in your affiliate link right here. Now that you have your affiliate link all ready to go, you should have it look just like this, but I'm going to actually drag this link underneath the video. So I want the video to be the first thing that people see, and then I want to have Join Hustlers University underneath that video. Now your link tree is all ready to go. You pretty much don't have to do any more than that, and you're going to start getting sales using the affiliate marketing system built inside of Hustlers University. So go ahead and just copy this Linktree account and have that ready to go for when we build out our TikTok account. Now what we're going to be doing on TikTok is creating accounts that have all these small clips of Andrew Tate talking inside of podcasts and different interviews, and that's how we're going to get people to sign up for Hustlers University. As you can see here, that's all they do on side of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥. This is one of many accounts on TikTok that just have small clips of Andrew Tate talking, and this is by far the easiest way to make money with this method. So as you can see, they just basically got a transcript printed on this video, and you can actually do the same thing inside of your TikTok videos. It's really simple. All you'd have to do is just break up this into different clips and then just transcribe the video yourself and add those words onto each video. And this is going to get you the most amount of engagement. As you can see, 10% average engagement rate on this TikTok account right here. Here's another example right here, Hustlers University 2.0. They have a 6% engagement rate on their TikTok videos. So you can see that doing this kind of method where you have the words on the screen does get a lot of engagement when it comes to TikTok, and that's going to lead to you getting more clicks and more sales for Hustlers University. Now you can get tons of views on TikTok, but the downfall with this is you need to have 1,000 followers first before you can add your Linktree account inside of your bio. Now in order to get around that, what you can actually do is you can just tell people to join inside of your Instagram. So you can say follow my Instagram to learn how to join, or you can say head over to my Instagram account to join Hustlers University, and you can set up your Instagram account to look just like this. This is actually an exact Instagram account from one of the best affiliates inside of Hustlers University. So you can actually just list your affiliate link right here, and then you don't have to wait to get those 1,000 followers on TikTok. You can just add that affiliate link to Instagram on the first day of creating that Instagram account. So just make sure that you tell people to go from these videos over to your Instagram account, and that's how you're going to get those clicks and ultimately those sales for Hustlers University. Now, when it comes to actually creating the videos for TikTok and Instagram, what you can do is you can use the video catalog inside of Hustlers University, and that's going to be inside of the Tate library section. And the cool thing about this is it makes it so easy to find video clips. So if I just want to search for, let's say, money, so I'll just go ahead and just hit Command F, and then that's going to open up the search feature. I'm going to go ahead and just do hashtag and then money. And as you can see, that brings up all the different hashtags that mention money. So all these different clips are going to be inside of the Tate library. And all you have to do is just click on this clip right here. So that he mentions money and he mentions fighting in this clip. So if I just want to go ahead and use this, I can open up this clip and I can download this from the Google Drives, or I can download it from YouTube right here. And you can use those clips on both TikTok and Instagram. Cut up those clips or combine them together to make those videos that go viral so that you can start getting sales with Hustlers University. It's honestly a great business model, and tons of people are finding success with this inside of Hustlers University. Let me just go ahead and show you some of the success that people are having using this method inside of Hustlers University. So as you can see right here, this person had his second sale today. This person had 2 sales yesterday, 2 sales today. This person, look, he had his first sale, $23 there. Then we have another person here, got 14 sales, $359. This is all with affiliate marketing and just promoting Hustlers University using those Andrew Tate clips. So that's why this method is honestly one of the fastest and best ways to make money using Hustlers University. Now, once you have the videos inside of the Tate library, you can actually use those videos and create TikToks using a place like 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗏. So go ahead and just open up the Tate library and then just click on the download button and download those clips to your computer and then upload them to Canva. When you get to Canva, hit the search bar and then open up the TikTok template and go ahead and click on TikTok video. Now click on the blank TikTok video template, and this is going to give you everything that you need in order to create those viral looking videos for our TikTok page. I went ahead and just added a video clip from the Tate library, and now I'm going to go ahead and just drag it over to the blank TikTok template, and we're going to go ahead and crop this video. So just crop it like that. And now we want to replace the background with this video. So there, all we have now is Andrew Tate showing inside of this video. So I can go ahead and play this clip.
I remember saying to my teacher,
and as you can see, it works just fine. So now what we can do in order to make this video go viral is just add a transcript inside of the actual TikTok app. What you can do is just break up this video into small clips and add transcripts to that inside of TikTok. It's really simple, and you can just use the different text and font that TikTok gives you inside of the app to do this. After you do that, I recommend posting about 1 to 3 videos on TikTok every single day until you get that 1,000 follower mark, and then you can start adding your affiliate link straight to your TikTok bio. But until then, make sure to direct people to an Instagram account that you set up promoting Hustlers University, and that's going to be the fastest way to make money using this method. Now, if you haven't joined Hustlers University yet and you are on the fence, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. That's where you're going to find all of the bonus courses that I actually give you if you decide to pick up Hustlers University from the link down below this video. I give away 3 different full-blown courses for my bonuses. So you're gonna get Affiliate Equation, which is a course that I sell for $86. You're gonna get that entire course for free if you sign up for Hustlers University. I'm also gonna give you Print That Profits. This is a print-on-demand course that I sell for $65. You get that one for free as well. And then there's also Twitter Affiliate Masterclass that I sell for $47. And you can actually use this course right here to promote Hustlers University because I teach you all about Twitter affiliate marketing inside of this course. You're going to find the most detailed content inside of this course teaching you how to promote affiliate links on Twitter and make money. So you can use this in tandem with the Hustlers University Discord in order to make money online. Now, if you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create videos all about how to make money online and how to do affiliate marketing. So check out those videos, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.